Meet Cloud, Thunder, Midnight and Dawn. They're 4.5 weeks old and were abandoned by their mother, who is Siamese and a stray. The person who originally looked after the kittens is moving house, but she noticed and treated a flea infestation first. Several kittens have lost fur on their stomachs. It looked especially bad for Midnight, who is one of the smaller kittens, so I made an appointment for Midnight to see a vet just in case there was more going on. The others came along for company and to give them all practice at travelling. They insisted on getting passed around all the vet staff, meowing whenever we tried to put them back in the carrier. The vet said to give them a bath, all of them, to get rid of the flea dirt left after the infestation. Otherwise, they looked good. The biggest danger to young kittens is getting cold, so I'd never given kittens a bath before, even when they were visibly dirty. But these kittens are unusually chill about everything, so I was curious to see how they would go. I'm setting up to give 4 kittens a bath. My actual cat is wisely retreating. She knows there's kittens in here. So the reason she's in here is not to greet the new arrivals, but to steal their food. However, we're not allowing any contact between the big cats and the little cats at the moment. They're too new, so she will not be coming in. Anyway, we've got the usual toys. We've got 1,000 towels, and we've got the water ready. My son filmed. Midnight wasn't sure, but he wasn't completely terrified either. Yes, you're doing so well. It is a bit scary, I know. But it's nice and warm, isn't it?
Wait, the water is warm?
Yeah, of course. We don't want them to get cold.
Shouldn't you dry Midnight?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm about to do.
Dawn looks fine.
Yeah. Just let me have a bit of a look. She's purring, but that might be fear purring.
You want to go in?
Make it better or worse?
Oh, Dawn took her paw away when her paw went in.
Yeah. It's okay, Dawn. No, you don't like it, but you're doing really well. Okay, it's alright. She's trying to get out, but she's being very gentle about it. Showing this to her credit. Okay, you can see she's got her claws out, but she's not digging them into me.
Wait, Mum, I forget. Have you made a video of the 4 yet and put it on YouTube?
No, not yet. But I will.
Hi, Dawn. You're on a video. Dawn, you just got washed.
I sure did. You look like you've got a little mohawk now.
Your face is skinnier than I remember.
Yeah. Okay, it's okay. Got a fresh coffee. Thunder also didn't scratch me. Let's have a look. There you go. Oops. Backing up just gets you more in the water, baby.
You squared.
It's okay. It's okay, Cloud. I got you. Yeah.
Okay, Cloud doesn't like it.
Let's get the dried milk off your head, hey? Cloud didn't scratch me, but she loudly hated every second. Once they were properly dry, they had a great play. After that, they had a solid wash, presumably to smell like each other again, since they were a little too clean. Then they had another play. After an exciting first week, I thought all the medical dramas were done. I was wrong.